Hi there and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. I'm Mary and today I'm showing you just a really quick video on how I do rice in the microwave. That's right, I cook it right in the microwave. I have two rice cookers. I actually bought one and then literally like a week later my sister gave me one that she got for free. And I don't like either one of them as much as I like doing it in the microwave. It is the greatest way to make rice that there is. I'm going to rinse off this rice. I have 2 cups of brown rice. You want to always rinse off your rice until it's runs clear, the water runs clear. And that's just because it's an agricultural product, it's grown in dirt. So you want to make sure that you rinse off dirt, and then also if there's pesticides that are on there, you can get that off of there. And now we need 4 cups of water. You can use broth if you choose. I'm just using regular water because I'm going to season it up with some garlic and salt and pepper, but you can totally do this with any kind of broth that you like. Beef broth, chicken broth, veggie broth, bone broth, anything. Okay, so in go the 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Check your package for directions on the ratio of water to rice. Mine was, it said 1 cup of water, 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of rice to 4 cups of water. So that's what I'm doing. I'm adding just a little bit of oil, about a teaspoon, maybe 2. You could use butter if you choose. I'm going to put some salt, about a teaspoon. And some pepper, about a half a teaspoon. And then I have some garlic here. I've actually chopped this up. I'm going to be using it for something else later too, but I'm putting, this is probably 3 or 4 cloves of garlic that I'm putting in here. Optional, you don't have to do that. Okay, this is going to go in the microwave for 5 minutes on high. And then after, right there, don't let it wait, but right as soon as it beeps that the 5 minutes are over, you need to switch it to, this is brown rice, so it needs to cook for 35 minutes. So I'm going to put on 35 minutes at half power. That's 50%, number 5 on my microwave, okay? If you are doing regular white rice, you would do 5 minutes, get it to boiling. That's what we're doing there. You're going to get it to boiling at 5 minutes, and then you're going to change it to half power for 20 minutes. And perfect rice every time. I've been doing this for 30 years, maybe longer. I don't want to give, too much information. Anyway, it's going in the microwave, 5 minutes. And you'll notice it doesn't really take a time off of how long you have to cook it. You still cook it for the same amount of time, but it's so much easier. It doesn't take up a burner on your stove, and it comes out perfectly, literally every time. I've been doing it for over 30 years, and it comes out perfectly every time. And it doesn't matter what rice you use. You just want to make sure you check your package for the ratio of water to rice. I can't stress that enough. I don't want to do more than 2 cups of rice in this container. This is a 3-quart container. This is Tupperware that I'm using. I actually used to sell Tupperware. That might surprise some of you. Some of you already know that because you've known me for that long, but yeah, I used to demonstrate that at Tupperware parties and people were always amazed, and then I would sell that product. You don't need that exact Tupperware item. You just need a 3-quart microwave safe container, cooking vessel that has a top, but not a, you don't want a snap-on lid or something tight fitting. This is a loose fitting lid, and then you can do this at home. We'll be right back when the rice is done. It's been 35 minutes. I'm gonna let you look at it, but we still need to let it sit for about 5 more minutes to absorb, and rice, you just have to do that. But look at this. Perfectly cooked rice. Look at that. It's perfect, but it does need to sit for about 5 minutes. Then you can eat it, use it in your recipes, make some rice pudding. Not if you put the garlic in it though. Don't make rice pudding in it if you put garlic in it. And here's the rice after it's been sitting for about 10 minutes with the top on. Look at that, it's perfect. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. You take care now.